Now in this question, three blocks of masses are shown in the figure, and they are pulled by applying a force of F equals to 60 Newton on 6 kg block. Find the tension X and Y in the string during the motion. There is string connecting these blocks. This is the string. The tension in this string between A and B is X, and between B and C it is Y. The mass of A is 6, of B is 5, and of C is 4 kg, and A is pulled with the force of 60 Newton. So if A moves in towards right, then B and C will be dragged along with it. That means this force of 60 Newton is not just pulling 6 kg, it is pulling 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is 15 kg of force. So we can write here that force is pulling a total mass of 15 kg. And let us say that the movement of this system is with an acceleration a in this direction. Now if we find the value of a, we can find it directly here. Force equals to mass into acceleration, so acceleration will be equal to force upon mass, and force is 60 Newton, mass is 15 kg. That means the acceleration of the system is 4 meter per second square. Now having calculated that, now let us make free body diagram. So first we'll make free body diagram of A, this block. So if this is pulled in this direction with a force F, then in this direction there will be F, there will be mg in downward direction. So since it is 6 kg, then in downward direction it is 6g. Because of this, there will be a normal reaction in upward direction. Let us say it is N1, so there will be N1 in upward direction. Also, because there is string between B and A, so there will be tension generated. So from here, as we know, the tension is always directed away from the point of contact. So there will be tension Tx in this way. So on body A, tension Tx will be in this direction. So this will be the free body diagram, and the acceleration is in this direction. So if we make the equation of this body, then it will be equal to F minus Tx equals to MA. So M is 6 into A. A is already we have calculated 4, so it will be 6 into 4. So we have F minus Tx equals to 24. Or we can write Tx equals to F minus 24. F's value is 60 Newton, so it is 60 minus 24, and this is equal to 36 Newton. So this will be the value of Tx. Now we will calculate the value of Ty. So for that we will make a free body diagram of, let us say, C, because it will be easier. Now for C, the only force that is applied which is helping C in the motion is in this direction, and that will be this tension, which is Ty. So that means it has Ty. Also it has its weight mg in downward direction, which will be equal to 4g, and a normal reaction will happen. Let us say it is N2. So from here the equation will be Ty equals to ma, and m is 4, acceleration is 4, so Ty will be equal to 16 Newton. So these are the answers. Make note, you understand that there are weight and normal reaction also, but since they are in vertical direction, they are not going to help the body in moving in this direction. So the only forces that we will consider are the ones in the equation.